Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have the project open, so start by revealing the markers you'll remove. Select the sequence or clip that contains the audio markers. Make sure the timeline shows the audio waveform so you can confirm marker locations. Press M to jump between markers and use Shift+M to go backward. This gets you to the exact marker quickly. Once you've identified a marker to delete, single-click it to place focus on the marker, so the next step operates on the correct item. Now remove the markers using the marker menu so nothing is left behind. With the marker selected on the timeline or with the clip selected for clip markers, go to Marker Clear Selected Marker to delete just that marker. If you want to remove every marker in the sequence, choose Marker Clear All Markers, but make sure you really want them gone. Once done, Premiere removes the marker metadata immediately. The audio file itself is untouched, which is why you can safely clear markers without harming the sound. Finish by verifying that all unwanted markers are gone. Step through the timeline with M and Shift+M. If nothing jumps, you're done. If markers still appear, you likely deleted sequence markers but not clip markers. Select the clip itself and repeat Marker Clear Selected Marker. Another fix is to open the Markers panel to list and delete individual markers one by one. This helps when markers are numerous or overlapping. If a marker won't delete, save. Restart Premiere and try the same deletion steps again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.